Florida legislators are meeting this week to address the insurance crisis in the state of Florida. I have my own ideas on what they could do to improve the situation here. Number one, adopt statewide building codes that mirror the Dade and Broward building codes. Lesser construction has been built all over the state, including JM and metal buildings, and the legislators need to understand that it's been proven Florida as itself, as a state, is a tier 1 CAT zone. Lesser construction does not hold up, and the path of hurricanes has gone all over the state. 2, retool the OIR filing system. The Department of Insurance in Florida has a prior approval process that does not allow for admitted carriers to adapt quickly to changing market dynamics. Myself personally, I've worked on a rate filing in this state for a very large insurance company that took me 18 months to get approved for a 5% rate increase on a legacy book that didn't write new business in over 10 years. That system is antiquated and it doesn't work. 3, allow a broader policy form to pass through the OIR. The state has relied on ISO homeowners filings for a very long time, and they've proven to be unsuccessful. We need to address policy form that does not work. There's no reason that a 20-year-old roof with one broken roof tile should be paid on a replacement cost basis. ACV roof clauses should be the norm, as well as water damage limitations or an overhaul of the statutes that allow for full replacement for minor damage. Number 4, eliminate the tail on property damage claims. No other place in the country has the tail on property claims that Florida has. If damage after a storm hasn't presented itself within 12 calendar months, that damage is not from the storm. Florida constituents have years to report property damage claims after a major hurricane event, and it is causing an incredibly long tail in reserve development and rising claim costs for the insurance carriers that they're not building into their actuarial models. Number 5, and last but not least, is overhauling the attorney fee schedule in this state. If the workers' compensation system has proven anything to us, when you remove the incentive for attorneys to make money in the system, the consumer ultimately benefits. The price of workers' compensation has come down almost 80% since 2003 when the law change went into place. Castellanos proved that was unconstitutional, but the insurance companies, the legislators, and the attorneys are significantly hurting consumers by not addressing an attorney fee schedule within the homeowners insurance market. This will be challenging for the elected officials to hang their hat on because the trial bar is incredibly persuasive for who gets elected into office.